Welcome, lovelies. Today we'll be taking it on Canva. So let's start from the way we log in. I just clicked on Canva login. Yes, and to bring you right here, if you just join in for the first time, you will have to sign up. As you can see, my network is loading. Alright, this is because I'm already logged into this account. So let me try signing up. So if I should log out, alright. You're supposed to see sign up or login, but because I already have an account here, I can't go back again. So if you want to sign up, you have this varieties of options. You can log in with your Apple, you can log in with Google, you can log in with your Facebook, continue with Microsoft, continue with Clever, continue with email, continue with work email, log in with your phone. You can select any of this. I advise if you're someone that forget password so easily, just go with continue with Google. And if you can remember your email, you continue with email and then you put your password in it. You can also use your work emails, same as your phone number. So since I love using continue with Google, I don't need to log it again. I'll just continue with the Google. Alright, so let me just continue. So if you're signing back to Canva, just continue with your Canva. It will ask you, do you want to continue? You click on continue. So it's going to this dashboard. Now welcome to Canva. Let's take a little tour on our Canva page. This is your open menu, and right here you can see some of the things you need to do, some of the things you've done here. I designed this red modern fashion. I did value addings on title, so you see a lot of things that you've done. Then here, this is where you create your design. You pick your page, you choose which platform you want to use, you choose the document. You can also work on customized page. For example, if you're working on presentation, you just come here and then you decide on the presentation you want to click on, just like this. One thing Canva has is it also works like your Microsoft Word, your Microsoft Excel. It works perfectly like those, just that it is a tool that has everything intact. You have your social media. That's your social media comprises of your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, your Pinterest, your TikTok. So you have your videos on a landscape format. You also have it in a portrait format, depending on the one you want to post. As you can see, we have the YouTube video, we have the TikTok video, we have Instagram, we have the Instagram story. There's one between the Instagram post and the Instagram story. Majority of Instagram posts is pictures. They are pictures. Instagram stories, this will go within days or day or hours. You have your YouTube thumbnails, your Facebook. Well, I'll come back to this side. You have your photo editor. For many of us that we make use of photo. Yes, you have photo editor, and as you can see that I literally did some things here I was able to remove background, change some of my picture content. We have the one for videos. You have the one for videos. Just the way we talk about social media, you have for videos. We also have for whiteboard. We have for sheets. The same sheets you have on Microsoft. You have it here. And also you can use Canva for website. Yes, and that's a good thing. You can use Canva for website. In my last video, I was showing you how I made my Canva design, my website Canva design. Alright, this is it.
This website. Let me show you the preview part.
Even though I'm not done with it, I can say I used Canva to build this kind of this website. Let me show you the preview part. How it will look like. Exactly. So it will look just like this. Can you see?
Then you have your customized site.
Can you see that? So this is how my Canva page, my Canva website looks like. Alright, then you have your customized size. When we talk about customized size, you need to know the sizes of each design you want to make. Just the way you know the one in your correct drawer. So for customized size, if you don't like the size Canva is giving you, you can come to custom size and then you can customize your size. Create a new design using your own size that you want. And also you can upload images, you can upload videos on Canva. Let's come to project. I don't really use this project aspect, but then you can use I don't really come to this project aspect, but then it is whatever you've done that comes here to your project. What you've uploaded, what you've done in the past, all what comes to this place. Template, yes, that's just one beautiful thing about Canva. Canva has a lot of templates for you in video format, in your JPEG or PNG format. They are already there. It has its own template. Unlike CorelDRAW, that you have to be creative. I'm not saying Canva doesn't make you creative. I'm just saying that Canva has everything already fixed for you. It is already fixed for you. You don't have to bother yourself designing, creating, any other thing. They are all here for you. Just like this kind of thing, all you have to do is to click on this image, go to customize this template, and once it opens, you can change the image. If you don't like the image, you can change the image to your own image. Make sure it is a beautiful one. You can change the name, you can change the font, you can change the colors, anything you want. So that is some of the beautiful things about Canva, and it makes your work so easy, plus the drag and drop effect. So in my previous video, I wrote some things, iteration about Canva. You can kindly go there and read through it. So now we have the branding. Then for the branding, I can see it is mainly for premium users. So when I was opening, I forgot to add that we are just opening that as a basic for basic like us. So it is not premium, it is basic. For premium, one thing you should note is that when you see this crown, it is telling you that you have to pay for it. Just like this brand voice, this chat, these icons, all these things, you have to pay for them. They are not new. Even if you want to click on the new category, you have to pay for them, except for this color, because color is just the main design. So Canva AI, I don't really come here, so I don't really think I know much about it. But I think when we talk about Canva AI, we're talking about making use of AI to talk, to show some images and stuff like that. And then coming to the last part, we have the more aspect. And this more aspect, we have the apps where you connect design and productivity tools. You can monitor your AI tools, how it is growing, publish it to the world, to your social media platform, content planning, take control of your social media channels, design a lot of things. And then this is your notification. When we talk about this content planner, this room, we're also talking about you publishing this. Just like this publish website, once I publish it, it is working for my Canva. So many people has the access to my to look at this. The same way we have engagement, we have social media metrics, is the same way we have for Canva. So you can literally follow up on the social media metrics on your Canva. So let's come to something beautiful. I don't know what to come to, but let's use something like this. Yeah. You can pick a template, just like the way we picked a template for this birthday, and then we can design. Like I said, you can change the color, you can change the background if you want. One thing you should notice is that this background was imported. As you can see, there is no changes in this kind of background, except if you want to bring your own background inside. Alright, so coming back to this side, I can also import this thing by coming to my template. We have the template on the dashboard. We also have the template here. What I mean is this. You can see that when I clicked on this, it brought us to the side. If I wish to add or change this kind of image, I can just click on this, come to template, and then look for the one I prefer. And immediately I click on the template. The first one I was showing was this same image. So then you can click on it back, and then you can decide on whichever one you want to pick. Or if you still don't prefer it, come to add page, just like this, click on it, and then it will give you another page entirely. You can now choose. Yes, once you click on it, as you can see, it is not changing this first one, neither is it changing the second one. It's only brought the template to the third page because that was what I clicked on. So after this, you can change anything you want to change. You can change the color, but you can't change background. You can change the color, you can, let me say, contrast your background color. You can rotate it, but you can't change it because it was imported into this side. You can change the font. I said that before. That was how I was able to create this myself. And then from there, let's come to this side. Yeah, this thing is also the same thing as this. These are the ways you can put your what's it called, your design. You can see that when I click on pages, it brought this out. The more you have the pages, the more it will keep going. Can you see? The more it keeps going. Come back here. Can you see that it is not there anymore? Can you see the way it is showing now? So this is to show all the pages that we have. Good. Now we have the element. We'll talk about element. We are literally talking about, let me bring it to the side. different kinds of icon shapes that you want. Let me say the diagram you want. So for the diagrams that I want, you just come to element, then you can type if you wish. You can type probably triangle. Okay, then click on the search bar. Can you see right angle triangle to give us a full triangle upside down, any kind of triangle you want. And once, like I said before, I said once you save this kind of things, it means you have to pay. So when you are downloading your design, it will not go except if it is premium. So if you see this thing, it means you have to pay for it. If you're looking for any other design, just type whatever you're looking for and then it will bring your shape. Or then if you're looking for icons like Instagram, yeah, is it correct? Instagram logo icon. It will generate a lot of this. Yes. Can you see? When you look for the ones that are free, you look for the ones that are free. Also, if you notice that this, yes, if you've been seeing this on your Canva page and you don't know what this works for, I'm here to tell you that this helps you to fit in your image. Let me copy this. This is just a picture. Alright, let's bring it to the site. I have everything fixed. Drag it and then once it fits into this, it will drop. Okay, let's just go on for a second. Alright, let's pick a frame and then let's bring this Canva page up, come to layer, forward, yeah, can you see? Then you drag it into this. I don't know why this is not going. It's meant to enter into this. Let's look down on side. What I mean, this is what I mean. Ctrl D. Detach your image, or if you need to detach that as well. Okay.
Oh, I forgot to. I'm supposed to do this.
Oh, I've forgotten. I'm supposed to bring this here. Let's see if there's an image. Okay.
Just
anyways, let's just look at. So we have for the upload just something. You have tools where you can use your pencil. You have your shapes. You can draw your shapes yourself. We have all the features here. So that's just it. Now let's try to create something on Canva. Let's come to template. What should we design? Okay, let's look for something like birthday design. Alright, so this is what I've been talking about. You can change the color of this. What color should we change to? Okay, blue. That's my best color. Alright, so let's change it to blue. I'm coming. Okay, this is cool. Let's change some distance to another color. So let's lock this first.
Once you lock an object, don't forget that it will never move. I'm trying to click on this little thing, but it is not going because this object is on top of it.
Once you lock an object, don't forget that it will never move. So I'm trying to click on this little thing, but it is not going because this object is on top of it. So let's just unlock, bring it to the side, click on this.
You have to be careful with whatever you're going to do.
Let's use this color. Okay, then let's bring this back.
Do not make some silly mistakes.
You have to be careful with whatever you're going to design so that you will not
And I said you can change
do rubbish with it. You will not make some silly mistakes.
everything in it.
So when I said you can change the design, that's what I meant. You can change the name, everything in it. Can you see? So you can change almost everything. You can add your own design to it.
You see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm doing? Exactly. So if you want to add any